Hey guys, it's George from Gaggia UK. Now in today's video, we're going to show you how to set up your Cadorna Barista Plus coffee machine. But before we get into the setup, let's take a look around the machine. So on the front of the machine, you have the professional barista steam wands, the water tank, the adjustable brew head, the dreg drawer, the inbuilt espresso tray. Right at the bottom of the machine, we have the removable drip tray. Right at the top, in the center of the machine, you have the TFT screen with all of the controls that you'll need to make your favorite coffees. On the side of the machine, we have the service door with the removable brew group. And right at the top of the machine, you have the bean hopper with the pre-ground coffee chute. Now that we've taken a look around the machine, let's get into the setup. So the first thing you want to do is peel off this sticker on the front of the TFT screen. The next thing you'll need to do is connect your coffee machine to power, and you can do this by plugging it in at the back. You'll then be asked to select which language you want your coffee machine in. You'll then be asked to fill up the water tank and pop your coffee beans into the bean hopper. Then you'll be asked to place a container underneath the professional barista steam wand and the adjustable brew head. This is because water is going to come out of both of these when the machine goes into its priming cycle. Now to activate the priming cycle, you just have to press the start button on the corner of the TFT screen. Next, you'll then be asked to test the water hardness level with the strip provided. Once you've done this test, you'll then be able to select the level of water hardness in your area on the coffee machine. Then the machine will do its final rinse, and after that, it's set up and ready to use. If you'd like to find out more information about your Cadorna Barista Plus, or if you'd like to chat to one of our team members via Zoom, you can do so by heading to our website, GaggiaDirect.com.